Made with the highest quality AC adapter, worldwide input voltage 100 to 240 VAC 50/60ths of a Hz output. District of Columbia 24V2A. 100% brand new and high quality. All products are tested to meet standard specification. Connector type: barrel connector. Cable length: 100.0 cm. Note: products with electrical plugs are designed for use in the U.S. Outlets and voltage differ internationally, and this product may require an adapter or converter for use in your destination. Please check compatibility before purchasing. Top reviews from the United States. Works for SunUV light. Works like a charm. This item came quickly, perfectly intact, and exactly as advertised. Perfectly replaced their missing power adapter for my father's LazyBoy electric recliner. Recommend.